Welcome to my science lab. Can you see this glowing firefly? Wow! Do you think this is magic? No. There is science hidden behind it. Come to my science lab. I will show you how to make a glowing firefly. Do you know water does not have any color? Whenever we put some fluorescent color in the water, then it will change to pink. See, isn't that amazing? Now we will put this water in the freezer for 4 to 5 hours. I already have ice cubes ready with me. It has changed from liquid to solid. Now we will put this ice cubes in firefly's stomach. Now let's test it by passing some jackknife through it. But do you know why it is going in the dark? Because fluorescent color is soft light and gives back very stronger light. I hope you like my experiment as much as I